So for our first example, we have the Rainbow Bridge, which is located in Utah, which is in the United States of America.
Okay, so this is our parabola, and I'm just gonna zoom it out so we can do. So I'm just gonna redraw the parabola here. Our height is 8,839.2, while our length is 8,382, and this is all in centimeters. So we're gonna want to find the vertex point, which is right about there. So what we're gonna need to do to it is divide that number by 2. So I'm gonna do this right here, 8,882 divided by 2. Put that on the calculator, and you'll get 4191. And then from this, we know that the vertex value is going to be 4191 and 8382. Okay, so now that we found our vertex, we're going to want to find the a. Okay, so we have y equals ax minus 4191, which plus 8839.2. And we got the 4191 and the 8839.2 from the vertex. So now we need to find what A is, and we know on the bridge right about here the coordinates are 0 and 0 because that's the beginning, so we can plug in those values into our equation and we'll get 0 equals 0 minus 4191 squared plus 8839.2. So now we have a as our only variable and we can solve for it. So what we'll get is we'll switch that over to that side and get negative 8839.2. I'm going to square this number right here and we'll get 17564, and we have we got another 481, and this is all being multiplied by a. So now we're going to try to isolate a. So we're going to divide everything by 70 million, or the number right here. So we're going to go 8839.2 divided by 17,564,481 equals a. And we got that, and do that here. And our a value from that will be negative 0.005. That's our a value. Now that we got our a value, we can easily write the equation again with all of our values together. So now we'll have y equals negative 0.0005 x minus 4191 squared plus 8839.2, and that'll be our final answer. Okay, so now I'm gonna move everything over to the side, right. So now this is our parabola. This is our plus sign on the axis, and right here at 0, 0, right around there. At the top, at the vertex, it's 4191 bracket 44196 4.6 bracket. That's our vertex, and the other point right here is 83820. So now that we have that, with all these values, you can find out a lot of things. So from this, our x intercept is 0, 0 and 0.45. Our y intercepts are, there's only one, which is at 0, 0, and our domain, is all real number. We would draw it like that, and our range is 78.74, and our direction of opening we can just find out from the looks of the parabola. So our direction of opening is down.